Darwen Borough Council were really keen to bring in some leading edge provision to make a difference and really shape up the local market. So what we've seen in terms of the 2-year planning process is a really intelligent set of relationships linked to driving up the quality of care and support for people with dementia.
When we started really talking to the commissioners, we'd then get round to really talking about the details. So how would it be commissioned? What kind of partnerships did we want to put in place? What kind of community liaison did we want? Who else did we want involved? That was when it really started to feel like a true partnership.
From day one, we build a very strong, open and honest partnership with community integrated care. And I think we are really impressed the way they came and engaged with us, involved with us, discussed with us, and especially when they involve the community. And I think we are really impressed with it. And that is the way forward.
As Chief Executive of the Council, I am absolutely delighted to be working in partnership with Community Integrated Care. Their vision, their ambition for this facility matches the vision of the Council. We want truly outstanding services for our vulnerable people in the community and their families.
Previously we've had plenty of dementia care home facilities. What they've not done is connected with the community in the way that we hope each step will do, building those links but also supporting people at the earlier stages of dementia, which is currently a gap for us.
Community integrated care have been an absolute star in terms of the work that they've done with the local community and local groups. There's lots of people from the council who have been involved in how it looks generally, the standard that we wanted to design the building to, right up until the day it opens. So they've been a proper community partner.
Each step's going to be a fantastic new service for people with dementia and their carers in the town, of the type that we've never really had before.
Blackburn Darwen Council could have asked any number of people to come into the borough to provide and develop services, and I think what they saw with the approach that we've been adopting is something different, an approach that not just put people at the centre of what we were trying to do, but also the way in which we would interact with communities.